ShareSync lets you share files and folders with coworkers, colleagues, and external users. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to share internally across your company. Watch. Just right-click a file or folder and select Manage Sharing. I'm going to share this folder with Christine and Josh. You see this drop-down list? It's synced with your corporate address book. I'll choose to give Christine and Josh co-owner permissions. I can always change these settings later. Now I can collaborate with Christine and Josh. When I add the timeline file to this folder, it shows up right away wherever they've installed ShareSync. And if someone makes a change to this file, their changes will sync back to me. I can also share files and folders with a group of users just as easy as emailing them. Here, I'll add the sales team to the reports folder and give them modify permissions. Team sharing just got easier with ShareSync.